Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best laptop for AutoCAD? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best laptop for AutoCAD on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check the user to see which one is in your budget range. Studying at Top 1. Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5 i2-in-1 Laptop. The Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5 i2-in-1 laptop is a versatile powerhouse designed for those who need performance, flexibility, and style in one sleek package. Featuring a vibrant 14-inch FHD plus touchscreen display, it's perfect for creative work, entertainment, and multitasking. Whether you're sketching ideas, watching movies, or working on spreadsheets, the touchscreen adds a layer of intuitive control. Powered by the Intel Core i5-1235U processor and 16 GB of RAM, this laptop handles everyday tasks and demanding applications with ease. The massive 2TB SSD offers lightning-fast storage and ample space for all your files, making it ideal for students, professionals, and creators alike. The backlit keyboard ensures productivity even in low-light environments, while the fingerprint reader adds a layer of security for seamless login. Running on Windows 11, the Flex 5i offers an enhanced, user-friendly experience with a modern design and powerful features. Whether you're working, learning, or creating, the Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5i adapts to your needs, transforming effortlessly from laptop to tablet. It's the perfect blend of power, versatility, and portability, built to keep up with your lifestyle. Top 2. ACEMAGIC Gaming Laptop AMD Ryzen 7 5700U Radeon. The ACEMAGIC Gaming Laptop is a solid choice for users looking for a versatile laptop that balances performance and value. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, and paired with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, it handles everyday tasks, multitasking, and productivity workloads with ease. The integrated Radeon RX Vega 8 graphics provides decent graphical performance for casual gaming, video playback, and creative projects, though it may not satisfy users who want to run demanding AAA games at high settings. The 15.6-inch FHD display delivers crisp visuals, while the 512GB NVMe SSD ensures fast boot times and quick file access. With a sleek and modern design, the laptop also features a backlit keyboard, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and a range of connectivity options including USB 3.2, Type-C, and HDMI ports, making it easy to connect peripherals or external displays. Whether you're working, streaming, or enjoying light gaming, the ACEMAGIC Gaming Laptop is a practical and affordable choice for students, professionals, and casual gamers. It's a portable productivity machine designed to keep up with your everyday needs while offering flexibility for entertainment and creative tasks. Top 3. Notebook 15.6-inch Laptop Windows 11 1366 by 768G Portable. The 15.6-inch notebook laptop is a practical and budget-friendly option for students, professionals, and casual users who need a basic, portable computer for everyday tasks. Featuring a 15.6-inch display with a 1366x768 resolution, it's suitable for web browsing, streaming videos, and handling office applications. While not full HD, the screen is adequate for most productivity needs. Powered by the Intel Celeron N5095 quad-core processor, up to 2.9 GHz, and equipped with 8 GB of RAM, it provides smooth performance for daily tasks such as web browsing, word processing, and light multitasking. The 256GB SSD offers fast boot times and quick access to files, ensuring the system stays responsive. This laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11, giving you access to the latest features and security updates. The lightweight design, at just 1.65 kilograms, and slim profile make it highly portable, perfect for carrying to school, work, or the coffee shop. Connectivity is solid, with USB 3.0, Type-C, mini HDMI, TF card slot, dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4G per 5G, and Bluetooth 4.2. The 5000 mAh battery provides up to 5 hours of use, ideal for on-the-go productivity. Overall, this notebook is a great entry-level laptop that balances affordability, portability, and essential functionality. Top 4. HP Pavilion 16-inch WUXGA Touchscreen Business Laptop. The HP Pavilion 16-inch WUXGA Touchscreen Business Laptop is a powerhouse designed to meet the demanding needs of professionals. Equipped with the latest Intel Core i7-150U processor, this laptop delivers impressive speed and efficiency, allowing smooth multitasking and quick processing of complex applications. With a massive 64 GB of RAM, it can effortlessly handle multiple programs simultaneously without any slowdown, making it perfect for heavy workloads. Storage won't be a concern either, thanks to the spacious and speedy 2TB SSD, which provides ample room for large files, software, and fast data access. The 16-inch WUXGA 1920 by 1200 touchscreen display offers sharp visuals and responsive touch controls, enhancing productivity and user interaction, whether you're working on presentations, spreadsheets, or creative projects. Running on Windows 11 Home, this laptop comes with a modern and intuitive interface packed with security and productivity features. The backlit keyboard enables comfortable typing in dim environments, while the built-in fingerprint reader adds an extra layer of security for quick, secure logins. Overall, the HP Pavilion 16 is an excellent choice for business users seeking a powerful, reliable, and stylish laptop that combines performance and portability, ideal for demanding professional tasks and multitasking throughout the workday. Top 5. Lenovo Ideapad 5 2-in-1 Laptop, 14-inch WUXGA touchscreen. The Lenovo Ideapad 5 2-in-1 laptop is a versatile and powerful device perfect for both professionals and students. Featuring a 14-inch WUXGA 1920 by 1200 touchscreen, it delivers sharp, vibrant visuals with a brightness of 300 nits and TV low blue light certification to reduce eye strain during extended use. Powered by the Intel Core i7-150U processor with 10 cores and speeds up to 5.4 GHz, this laptop handles multitasking and demanding applications smoothly. With 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and a spacious 2 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, it offers plenty of memory and storage for fast data access and ample file space. The backlit keyboard allows comfortable typing in low-light environments, while the built-in fingerprint reader ensures enhanced security and quick login. The aluminum chassis adds durability and a premium feel. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, providing reliable and fast wireless connections. Running Windows 11 Home, the laptop offers a modern, user-friendly interface with the latest features and security updates. This 2-in-1 design allows you to switch easily between laptop and tablet modes, enhancing productivity and creativity. Overall, the Lenovo Ideapad 5 2-in-1 combines power, portability, and smart features, making it a great choice for everyday use and professional work.